Alright, today got the Savage Flux XS. Very nice. Nice. Alright. We're going to be putting on the T-Bones Racing chassis protector. Very nice. You see it? Alright. Let's take a look and see what we can do here. What it comes with too. It's got a wheelie bar incorporated in the skid plate. It's got a center skid to cover the bottom hull. So this goes across the bottom like that. Very nice. It's got a front and rear bumper for all us bashers out here. Very nice, easy to understand instructions. Let's see. So we got the front bumper. Gives it extra protection. You still leave the stock on, so the stock still stays on. This is just extra protection, you know. So we're gonna start taking off all the stuff. Start installing this. See what's out here. Alright. I got two sets of screws. One's for the wheelie bar and one's for the whole skid plate. Okay? As you see, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Also comes with some stickers. Take a look. Alright, got some screws. I'm gonna grab one of these. Start taking out these screws. Alright. Very long screws, so they give you a new set. You know what? Let me grab my drill. It'll get a lot easier. These are very helpful. Drill bit attachments, very helpful. Energy or Huddy. I like the Huddies more, they're much more durable. But the Energies work too. And they click right into my Makita. Like so. Look at how fast that was. Very quick. No spinning by hand. Now you do want to make sure if you use a drill like this that you use one that has a adjustable chuck. Reason being, if you over torque it or anything, you'll strip the screws. Because usually you're screwing into plastic. So I like to start off with the lowest setting. Lowest setting first and then go up. Go up a little bit, one notch at a time. Usually 2 is good enough for any plastic 10 scale on-roads or off-road trucks. So don't go crazy. Let's see. Got some new long ones. these lock into each other, so you have to put them in straight. Alright, insert the long screw. It's actually a short screw, sorry about that. Like so. Let's put a long screw in the front. Oh, I pushed the nut out of the bulkhead. Pop that down. Strange. Very hard to get in for some reason. What the hell is in there? Another short screw. We're going to take out the back screws. first, before we put the rear piece on, I'm going to install the wheelie bar. And it shows you on here how to install the T-bar, what they call a T-bar or wheelie bar. Alright, so what you do is this is going to sit, this is facing upwards in the rear end, and the wheelie bar goes on like this with these spacers that are included. They go and insert in the bumper. That's what holds it in place so they don't move. They do cut slots for it, so it fits really nice, easy. Now all we do is insert the screws. Screws like so. It's got a little lock nut. Start it off. A little wrench. This, tighten it down a little bit, grab the other one, this one on, again the lock nut, lock it on. Now I could finish tightening it. This is going to be a very nice addition to this truck. Now it's got a wheelie bar too, which I've been waiting for a while from HPI. But HPI has not come out with it yet. They show it in their book, but it has not come out yet. So this is a great thing. It's $41.95 for this 3-piece set, which is great. This stuff, I love T-bones. This has been the best stuff. You could get it for the Mini Revo, the Vorza. There's tons of cars. There's a whole list of cars if you go to their website. Their website is T-bone, T-B-O-N-E-R-A-C-I-N-G, TBoneRacing.net. Go there and you'll be able to find all kinds of cars. There's for the Summit, the Revo, there's all kinds of skid plates and guards. It's the best stuff, especially for bashers. They even have some racing skids for the buggies. You hear that noise? That's the chuck. That's what I have it set to. I have it set to 1 so it doesn't torque on it too much, because you don't want it to strip, because that will happen. So you just give it a little bit, and you're left over with some screws. Those are no more. You're not going to use them anymore. And that's it. Now you got the, you see, very nice. Very nice